Welcome to Swati e-channel, e-learning. Today we will see about the newborn care in pediatric topic. What is newborn care? Care provided to newborn from the of birth to about the first month of life is known as the newborn care. So here you can see the newborn baby. Purposes behind the newborn care is to clear airway passage, facilitate breathing, to observe for any external anomalies, to provide adequate warmth, to prevent injury and infection, to keep baby clean, and to help the newborn to adopt an extra uterine environment. The key principles of newborn care: preparation for delivery, establishment of respiration, prevention of hypothermia, prevention of infection, establishment of breastfeeding. Articles needed for newborn care is sterile cord cutting scissors, suction machine for suctioning, mucus sucker for aspirate the secretions, radiant warmer to maintain a temperature, cord clamp to clamp a cord, sterile cotton balls to give eye care, measuring tape to measure the head circumference and chest circumference, rectal thermometer to see the thermal environment of the baby. Articles needed for newborn care is emergency medications like vitamin K we are giving 1 ml IM injection and any type of immunization if possible. Identification tags is important to identify the mother of the baby. Clean tray should be cared to receive a baby. Stethoscope to see the vitals of the baby pulse and respiration. Syringes we have to for aspirating any type of secretions or microbe in the baby. On sterile linen for receiving a baby and to maintain a warm environment of the baby. Gloves to prevent infection. General instructions for the newborn care. The emergency equipment for neonatal resuscitation is to be always kept ready in neonatal area. Do not stimulate baby, rubbing the back on suctioning nose if the amniotic fluid is meconium stained. If any deviation from normal is anticipated, a neonatologist is to be informed. Avoid the back rub. The procedure for the newborn care is place the baby soon after the delivery in a tray with sterile linen with head slightly downward. This is rationally facilitated drainage of the mucus accumulates in the tracheobronchial tree by the gravity. Place the tray between the legs of the mother at lower level than uterus. Rationally facilitate gravitational flow of the blood for placenta to the fetus. Clean the airway of the newborn using the mucus extractor or bulb syringe, that is maintaining the patent airway of the baby. Check Apgar score rating at 1 minute and 5 minutes at record. Assess the health status of the newborn. The Apgar score signs APGAR. A represents appearance, represents pulse, G represents grimace, activity, and respiration. So 0 points, 1 point, and 2 point. Clamp and cut the cord. Cord is to be clamped, divided, and examined through following birth of baby. So if to identify abnormality, separate the baby from mother for extra uterine life. Dry the baby thoroughly, remove the linen and wrap the baby in dry, warm blanket and sheets to prevent loss of heat by evaporation and chilling. They tie the identification tag which has the mother's name and the hospital number wrist of both the mother and baby on the legs of baby to avoid confusion between staff and chances of wrong identification. Apply cord clamp and cut the cord shorten to desired length to separate baby from mother and avoid blood loss. Procedure: place the baby under a radiant warmer until temperature is stable to maintain body temperature of the baby. Clean the eye with the sterile cotton ball soaked in the sterile water to reduce eye infection. Instill the soframycin eye drop in erythromycin eye ointment to each side. Act as a prophylaxis against ophthalmic neonatal and chlamydia trachomatis. Close the baby using a dress that is appropriate for the climate. Extremities should be free for movement. Act as a moisture increases chance of microorganism colonizing in the skin. Check the potency of the rectum by introducing lubricating rectal thermometer. Identifies imperforated anus. Check the weight and the length of the baby to know the normal measurement. Check the vital signs to identify the normal measurement. Administer vitamin K 1 mg intramuscularly to minimize risk of hemorrhage. Administer prophylactic antibiotic therapies if ordered in the case of PROM instrumental delivery to prevent secondary infection. Observe the baby frequently at least 4 to 8 hours. Identify any abnormal sign developing in newborn. Fill baby card, crib card and antenatal folder and document it. Act as a communication between the staff members. So here is a pattern of a baby's card, that is baby's name, date of birth, time, length and weight. Care provided to the newborn includes maintenance of temperature, open airway circulation, identification of newborn, vitamin K injection and initiation of breastfeeding. So what to do for the maintenance of temperature? Keep neonate head always covered. Rooming in. Immediate dry the infant and keep it in the radiant warmer. Skin to skin contact with mother. For establishment of open, like natural birth, when the head is delivered, birth attendant immediately suction the secretion and wipe mucus from the face, mouth and nose. Suction the mouth and nose of baby. Keep head slightly lower than the body. So neck should be slightly extended, neck hyperextended, neck and under extended. For identification of the baby, if it is a girl, for the vitamin K injection, administer vitamin K intramuscularly. For initiation of breastfeeding, as early as possible, the breastfeeding can be initiated if the mother is of cesarean section, then also the initiation of breastfeeding can be done. Role of nurse in newborn care: attending birth, measuring and weighing, caring for the monitoring health of infant after birth, educating new parents about the breastfeeding and care of child, monitor the vital signs of both the baby and the mother. Thank you.